Namaskar, Assalamu alaikum. It's a beautiful day to be alive. I hope the holy month of Ramzan is going really well for you and कुछ दिनों में ईद आने वाला है. I know lockdown is going on and you won't be able to buy a lot of new makeup, but all my beautiful Muslim women sisters out there want to look a little more pretty on the big day. I created this makeup look keeping in mind that you can use minimal makeup, something which you must already be having. I didn't use too many eyeshadows or glitters for this particular makeup look. I'm going to start off my makeup by using a primer, and this is the Color Essence Pre-Makeup Base. I'm using a lot of primer today because I haven't been applying any product on my skin since a very long time, so I need a little extra smoothness than I usually do. For foundation, I'm using the Studio West foundation. This foundation is good for dry and dehydrated skin, and my skin has become slightly dehydrated now after not applying any skincare product for a month. I have been washing my face with only water, no makeup, no skincare, nothing, and then I'm blending this foundation using the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. So it's the first time after a whole month that I'm applying makeup, and after removing it I'm going to do skincare. So if you want to know how the results have been after this 1 month of applying no product, do click on the like button and my next video will be on that. Next, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer, and this one is in the shade Natural. So I'm applying it under my eyes, on the middle of my forehead, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, and my chin, and then I'm blending it using the same brush. I'm also applying the concealer on my eyelids so that it works as my eye primer. So I noticed that my makeup doesn't blend as smoothly as it normally does because my skin has been really dry, and now I'm using the Real Techniques makeup sponge to blend all of it. I usually use some loose powder or compact powder after applying my base makeup, but today I'll be skipping that cause I don't want my skin to become more dry. I'm doing a classic smoky eye today, so I'm using this black colored eyeshadow, and this is the Freedom Pro 12 Dreamcatcher eyeshadow palette, but you can use any eyeshadow palette of your choice. It's just a matte black eyeshadow which you have to put on. After I have applied the black colored eyeshadow all over my eyelids, I'm taking a little bit of bronzer on a fluffy brush, and using this I'm blending the eyeshadow on my crease area. You can also use a brown eyeshadow for this, but I'm using a bronzer because I want to use products which most of you have with you right now. And now I'm using the same black eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Instead of this black eyeshadow, if you have kajal, you can also use that. Now I can't use any mascara today because all that I have are expired now and I haven't been able to buy a new one. But if you have mascara, go ahead and use it. That's going to look even better. But I'll be using an eyeliner today, and this is the Color Essence Super Extend Eyeliner, and I'm doing just a classic eyeliner look, that is lining my upper lash line. For eyebrows, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Pro Pomade, and this one is in the shade Dark Brown. So I'm using a little bit of it to fill in my eyebrows. Of course, I haven't got them threaded since a long time. Now I'm moving back to my face, and I'm using the Wet n Italy Studio Wet n Dry Bronzer. This one is in the shade 333 Hermosa. This is the same one which I had used on my eyelids, and I'm applying it under my cheekbones, on my forehead, jawline, and on my nose. For blush, I'm using the Maybelline Color Show blush, and this one is in the shade Creamy Cinnamon. If you notice, I first did my eyes today and then I'm doing my contour and blush, so that I get to know what's the right amount of blush I need to apply for this kind of eye look. For highlighter, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate. I'm applying it on my cheekbones, forehead just above my eyebrows, my chin, on my cupid's bow, on my nose, under my eyebrows, and on my inner corner. For lipstick, I'm going to use a dark sort of lipstick today, and this is the Miss Clear Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade 10, and that's the finished look. I really love doing Eid makeup looks every year cause I like the way I look in this. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you recreate this look, don't forget to share your pics with me on social media. I wish you all a very happy Eid and I hope all your prayers are answered. Eid Mubarak sabko. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.